Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we solve Leetcode daily challenge problem number 2225. Find players with 0 or 1 losses. So it is titled a medium problem, but it's rather an easy problem to solve. So first we're going to check the problem statement, then we'll check out the approach which we're going to use, and at the end we'll see the code as well. So let's start with the problem statement. So it is given that we'll get an array integer matches where matches of I has two values, winner and loser. So basically, zeroth index is a winner, one index is loser. Indicates that player winner I defeated player loser I in a match. Okay, we have to return a list answer of size 2 where answer of 0 is a list of all players that have not lost any matches. Okay, so basically 0 losses. Answer of 1 is a list of all players that have lost exactly one match. Okay, the value in the two list should be returned in increasing order. Got it. There is a note as well. You should also consider the player that have played at least one match. Okay, of course. The test cases will be generated such that no two matches will have the same outcome. Got it. So I think we don't have to explicitly handle these two notes, because of course, like, you will get a player only when it have played at least one match, and this is anyways not a concern. So what I'm going to do is think of it as keeping three buckets, and hopping the players from one bucket to another based on the outcomes of the matches. So let's check out the approach. Okay, so this is what exactly we are going to do. So first we'll be using counting techniques, okay, in which we are counting every occurrence, or we are considering every occurrence of wins and lose for any particular player. And this is the logic which we are going to implement. So for winners, this is a very simple logic in which what we are doing, if he has if the winner is not in one loss, so basically he has not lost any matches yet, and he has not lost more than one match, so then we will add him in the zero loss category. For losers, we have a couple of conditions in which what we are doing, basically, yeah, so we were talking about the buckets, right? So think of it as zero bucket, one bucket, and one plus. Okay, so as soon as we get the first winner, we'll put him in the zero bucket. Okay, and the loser will go in the one bucket. Now if we, for example, we are considering this value 1 comma 2, 1 was the winner, so 1 will go here, 2 will go here. Okay, now if we get, let's say, 3 comma 1, okay, now 1 has lost the match, so this 1 will be removed from this bucket and will be transferred to this one. Okay, and let's say if we get 4 comma 2, for example, where 2 has lost another match, then we will remove 2 from this bucket and will move to the other one now. Okay, so this is the logic which we're going to use. So let's just go through the problem statement ones, like the example ones. So over here, 1 is the winner, he has not lost any of the matches, and 3 has lost exactly one at the moment. Okay, now comes 2 and 3. 2 has not lost any match, 3 will be now moved to, we will cancel 3, and he has lost more than one match. Now we have 3, so he is not in 0, sorry, he is not in 1, but he is in this, so we will not add him in 0 losses. We have 6. Okay, 6, this is the first time he has lost a match. Now comes 5 comma 6, 5 will be added in 0 losses, and we will remove 6 from one loss and we'll add him into more loss bucket. So this is the flow which we're going to follow, and we'll process each of the pairs which we have received. Let's check out the solution of it. So as I said, this is what we're going to do. We have kept three buckets: 0 loss, 1 loss, and more loss. And what we're doing, we are basically implementing all the conditions which we discussed. And if you see over here, we are iterating the matches. We are getting winners and losers at each iteration. If winner is not in one loss and he is not in more losses, then he he has not lost any of the matches yet, so he will be added in 0 loss. And for loser, we are checking if he has lost 0 loss, we will add him in 1 loss bucket. If he has already lost 1, he will be moved to more loss. If the loser is already in more losses, we need not to do anything, and if not, we will simply add him in the 1 loss bucket. Okay, if the occurrence is not there, we will add him in the 1 loss bucket. And at the end, we are just sorting out the list because they have explicitly asked that it should be in increasing order. So we are sorting out 0 loss and 1 loss bucket, and we are returning it. So let's check out the test cases. And as you can see, the test cases got clear. Let's submit it for further evaluation now. And the solution got accepted, and I would say like we have performed fairly well, and we have outperformed 81.36% of the submitted solutions. So yeah, this was the solution, guys. Thanks a ton for watching out the video. Stay tuned for the upcoming ones. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.